Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLDB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one today. And there's really no other way to put it. This thing was a total gap and trap pump and dump. And when I say pump and dump, I don't say that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. So from a price action perspective, started off as a gap and trap. So what is a gap and trap? Well, the price closed right there on Tuesday, and then this morning opened up right there, hence the gap up. After the open, the price ran a little bit to think some poor soul bought right there. And then from there, the trap happened. And then not only as it went down did it go back to where it started, which again, it started right there. It just kept going lower and lower. And in fact, it closed even lower than where these lows were a few days ago. So if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. But that's also what creates an interesting scenario here. Because if I scrunch this up here a little bit, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but if you have traded for an extended period of time, I'm sure you've seen and you know that stocks like this, when they get beat down and then they start to consolidate around areas of support, which you can see here, has a track record of support right there, track record of support right here. And once again, just hovering right around that area. There can be some very interesting bounces. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's a history of the price bouncing off this, $4 area before does not mean that for sure a bounce is happening again. But I mean, would it be shocking? No, it wouldn't be shocking. And it's a nice little risk versus reward opportunity. Of course, that assumes that you can honor risk and, manage risk and all that good stuff. But, if you can, then yeah, we'll see if the price can try to get some sort of bounce back to the upside. Not saying it goes back up to $5, but, definitely an interesting setup here. But as far as today individually and describing today, an absolute gap and trap pump and dump. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.